Hello, friends. My name is Sachin, and I am here to give you the info session on our unique program that is the Computer Systems Technician. This is a particularly 16-month Ontario College Diploma compressed program, which can turn your technical skills into a career, supporting towards the today's advancing IT solutions. So this is one of the kind of a compressed Ontario College Diploma program, which I will be briefing out in the coming slides. So first and foremost, as I was telling you, it's a compressed one. So it is delivered in the 16-month uh, format that is spread out over 42 weeks with the 3 levels. And this particular program will provide you the much needed technical knowledge and expertise to support the use of computers and networks. Moreover, in this particular program, you will be able to develop your communication and administrative skills, including to the ability of working in team kind of atmosphere, as well as employing many of the concepts just like the project management and customer service techniques. So this is a kind of a very hands-on and technologically advanced course that you are signing up for. Coming on to the various other things that you can learn while you are enrolled in this particular program is this particular program uses a combination of theoretical as well as hands-on learning. And over the period of 16 months, there will be many of the information technology skills that you will learn, which are very essential. Not only it will encompass the problem solving techniques, but you will be also learning the troubleshooting techniques, which will help you in the field of supporting an IT infrastructure, that is the LAN or the WAN network or wherever you are. So that will help you in maintaining and supporting all the and keep it running as well. So that is very important aspect of this particular program and skill. Coming on to the other thing, that is the knowledge of ethical, legal, and the regulatory requirements will be also provided in this particular program to you. So what will happen is like there will be many kind of legal issues that you have to take care of while you are supporting the IT infrastructure, as well as the ethical aspect of that. So those things will be kind of embedded in your learning curve, and you will be made acclimatized to that. Or in addition to that, there will be other skills which are like written and oral communication, which is a given in any work environment that you will be in. And the basics of customer support will also be included in these kind of things. So this particular thing that we will be learning in the computer systems technician will not only be only on the IT side of the technical knowledge, but you will also be learning the administration and the management side. So that will give you the overall 360-degree learning curve that that is needed in this particular field to be successful. Coming on to many of the quick facts regarding this particular program. So this particular program requires the basic admission eligibility requirements, that is the grade 12 English and math. This particular program comes with an optional co-op as well, which is generally a 4-month period after your first year. And with the coming of the IT age, this particular course or the program is very well paid, as well as is in huge demand. So average starting salary is in upwards of 35,000 a year, and it will go high as you get more experience and more skills under your kitty. Moreover, this particular program will let you know how to support various kind of computers and system networks. And as there are hundreds and hundreds of hours embedded and learning many of the skills and theoretical concepts in our state-of-art computer systems lab. I will give you a screenshot of that particular lab in the coming slides. There inside the lab, there is also the provision where you can manage your own server uh, in our server room, and this particular thing will help you in obtaining the industry recognized certifications as well. Now there are like 3 levels, as I was telling you about. So in the level that is 1, you will be learning many of the core concepts and courses such as networking essentials. Then there is PC system technology, microcomputer operating system will one of the important thing will be, and mathematics for computer system technician is also another kind of a core theoretical a course that will help you in learning many of the core fundamentals of the program in level 1. Then coming on to the level 2, which is more into the networking side. So you will also learn about the Linux operating system. You will also learn from the how to do a PC troubleshooting. That encompasses various kind of troubleshooting techniques and methodologies that you will learn. In addition to that, there will be local area networks 1, which is like introduction on the foundation about that particular skill. And then there will be network routing introduction, as well as technical communication about how to be a computer system technician will be there. Coming on the another aspect that will be taught to you is the ethics. So that is very important, because in this information age, the ethics and the regulatory as well as the legal aspects of maintaining a IT infrastructure is very significant. Then there is a 4-month co-op if you opt for that, and then after, when you come back in the level 3, you will be getting the working towards your graduation. There will be huge relevant coursework, that is the network security. Then there will be network services and support. Then there will be a program, there will be course on the introduction to database management, so that you will be able to manage them. And just like a continuation to the LAN, there is a wide area network administration course which will help you to maintain the IT architecture as well as the system infrastructure in a much like larger scale. And then there will be a Linux operating system 2 course, which will be a kind of an extension towards the, or a build up to of the level 2 course of Linux operating system 1. And then also there is a provision of choosing from the options a general education elective, which is totally up to you. So these are like the course curriculum around which this particular program is carefully drafted. Coming on to the various pathways that open up after you graduate. So first and foremost, as this is a computer system technician, so you will be like graduating to work as a customer service representative or system administrator is the kind of go-to jobs where you will be doing many of the technician work and support work in this maintaining of a huge IT infrastructure of a particular organization or a body. So that is one of the things that you can look forward to. Then you will also have another option of working as a network installation and implementation specialist, as well as there are technical support jobs that come in every kind of industry that that uses the IT infrastructure. Maybe it's a industry sector in the core industries, or it's the kind of a public sector, which is the government sector, or many of these services oriented companies and organizations use IT technical support specialist jobs. In addition to these, there will be hardware and software sales rep jobs that you can opt for, which is another kind of a career option that you have. Now, this was the basics about what will you sign up for, and if you are opting for this particular program. Then, but you will be not only signing up for the program, you will be signing up with Algonquin College, which has the mission to transform your hopes and dreams into lifelong success. And we here at Algonquin College believe that we have a vision to become a global leader in personalized, digitally connected, and experiential kind of learning. So we will ensure that you are getting the best in class education with the kind of the student experience that you want. Just to put into perspective, you will be signing up at Algonquin College, Pembroke, but we have other 2 campuses. The first and foremost campus, that is the main campus of ours, is in Ottawa. That is the capital of Canada. we have our campus, that is the Woodruff campus, which has more than 250 plus programs and around 19,000 plus students enrolled into full time. Then there are other two regional campuses. First and foremost is the Perth campus, which is around having 250 plus students enrolled in some programs. And then we have Pembroke campus, which is a waterfront campus alongside the shores of the river Mighty Ottawa, which is widely known as it is in the city of Pembroke, which is widely known as the heart of Ottawa Valley, and we are based in the naturalist setting, and our state-of-art campus will be a go-to thing in the city of Pembroke. Just to put into perspective, this is a particular screenshot of our state-of-art campus at city of Pembroke, the waterfront campus we call it. The first and foremost thing that I will point out with our campus, it's very small, warm, and friendly kind of a community that that has 1,000 plus students enrolled in 20 programs. Most of our students and faculty interactions are very friendly in nature, and you will have a kind of a great time over here. We boast a huge student to professor ratio. That is that our average class size is between 25 to 50, which gives the high student to professor ratio, so that you are being mentored and instructed in a very hands-on, and your progress is being monitored by the professors in the in the best possible manner. Coming on to another aspect, many of our students do come from outside of Renfrew County. So if you are traveling, if you are not based in the Renfrew County, where the city of Pembroke is, you need not to worry about, because there is a higher possibility that someone from your area, locality, or maybe just like around the block, someone is there to be a friend of yours in this particular campus. We have another aspect that I would touch upon, is that we pay huge impetus on the hands-on learning aspect of our programs. So you will, it's not only the theoretical aspects, because we are making you future ready. So we will make sure that your learning curve is very hands-on, it's very practical, and there are many work integrated learning opportunities that are built in throughout the programs. Many of the campus facilities and classrooms that exist. So first and foremost, Student Association has recently installed this particular thing, that is the in-house rock climbing wall, which was recently installed in the month of Feb. This is one thing that you can look forward to when you are in the campus. So just like if you want any adventure, or you just like need 20 minutes of your time to enjoy, this is a particular go-to thing that you can just sign up in your gymnasium, and Student Association will let you on these particular self-guided rock climbing wall that is a kind of a go-to with many of the students over here. Then the library, we have two levels of library. The first level, that is the ground floor level, is on looking the Canny's Way, or the north side of our campus, and it is on looking the mighty Ottawa River. So you can sit down in these areas quietly along the stacked bookshelves, and with a kind of a natural setting and a scenic view, you can do your homework and have a quiet time enjoying while you are here in the campus. Then this is a particular screenshot of the state-of-art health sciences lab, where many of our students who are enrolled in the health sciences programs, such as the Bachelor of Science in Nursing and others, they work day in, day out, and learn from their professors. So that's another kind of a lab that you have. And this is another aspect where our students are enjoying outdoors and building up skate parks and all that. So this particular thing is very relevant from the computer systems technician point of view, because this is a screenshot where this is a screenshot of the computer systems lab, where you have the terminals and networking area, so that you can learn about the nuances of the program and learn from the computer programming or maybe network administration. So this is the go-to thing and of your program, and you will spend most of your time in there learning about the programs, the parts, the concepts about the networking in this particular thing, so that you can successfully graduate being a computer system technician. In addition to the in-house facilities that we have, there are many of the student support services that Algonquin College Waterfront campus will provide you. So starting from, if you have any kind of accessible learning, or there's a Center for Accessible Learning that will take care of all the reservations uh, or the things that you might need in order to have a successful experience in your student life. Then there are other counseling services, whether it's a mental health issue or you're feeling overwhelmed or something is bothering you. There is an in-house mental health counselor that will help you not only take an appointment one-to-one with you, but also sit down to churn out a strategy where you are learning uh, this particular thing will be taken care of by the counselor, and it's a private session that you will have with her. So that's a very significant kind of counseling service that we provide. Then there is health services that is on campus. That is one practical registered nurse is during the campus hours. She's there and she can take all care of all the basic health and immunization services that you might need during your typical school year. If you just like this program has a built-in co-op or the employment thing, so you can sign up for the employment support service, which will help you not only in a resume or the cover letter building, but also give you a kind of a mock drill with the interview, so that you are like ready to face the challenges of the corporate career, and you're ready when the actual scenario of interview happens. In addition to that, there are academic coaching that is totally free of cost to all the students if you need an additional time with our academic coaching staff. So you can book up the appointment in the library, and they will churn out a time and a date with you, so that you can learn on your one-to-one kind of manner. In addition to this particular thing, there is another aspect which is called as peer tutoring kind of support service, where you are learning from not the academic or your professors, but you are learning from one of the peers, and they know, like they have been through your kind of curve, and they know what kind of learning strategies they have implemented, which has been successful for them, and you can learn from them. So it's a totally kind of a student to student kind of academic coaching that is called as the peer tutoring. And then there is a financial aid aspect of the services, where if you are looking forward to our financial aid officer for any of the information regarding the bursaries or the financial aid, that is the OSAP, you will be signing up for that, and she will help you in each and every manner. In addition to these things, there is one more thing, that is the student success specialist. She is the kind of a GPS of all those services. So if you are like not sure what service you want and what will be the end destination where you will have the solution for you, you can visit her and she will guide you. She will take care of all the things, and it's a kind of a GPS navigation that she will help you to be at a particular spot and make sure that you reaches your destination. So that is one of the essential aspect of student success that we ensure, and hope that your time at Algonquin College Waterfront campus is not only enjoyable, but you are having a great time over here. And in the aspect of financial aid, there is one more thing that needs to be covered, that we spend more than $250,000 in bursaries annually, which are reserved for 1,000 students of Algonquin College Waterfront campus. And so there is a huge kind of a possibility that you might end up with additional funds during your school year that can help you either with your tuition or your day-to-day expenses. Coming on to not only the student experience in the learning classroom environment or any other aspect, there are multiple events that will come up during a typical school year that will cater to the student experience part. So student association or Algonquin College staff will come up with many of the events and opportunities that will help you to have a good time over here, and you will be bonding with your classmates, not and other students from different programs, and having a fun time during the typical school year. So that are like many of the things that we provide. So this is a kind of an overview about one-to-one thing that is the computer systems P diploma program that is we have for you. If you have any kind of questions regarding this particular program, maybe it's a program specific thing or admission specific question, you can always direct your queries to me, and I will be happy to help you. My email ID is sethis@algonquincollege.com. And thank you patiently for listening to this particular webinar and info session. And I hope that you have a great time. Thank you very much and enjoy your time. Thank you. Bye.